Mayor, now that the president had admitted, so it goes to say that this tape the people are now possessing is really wiretapped. So they are in violation of Republic Act 2044, Section 2, that if you possess any wiretap, tape, or transmission thereof, you go to jail.
And you cannot exhibit or play it before anybody because that's a contraband.
So now the government can do something about it.
Yes,
Mayor.
that's why I said, first of all, before impeachment, you better go into this kind of investigation. Try to investigate and determine first when was the tape done, what was the reason, how was it taken, and where. Tapos dyan, well, that's illegal, then we have to arrest the persons. They have to pay for the crime. Then we go to the tapes now. Ang problema niyan kung matanggap na. I said, sabi nga ng Constitution evidence illegally obtained is not admissible in any judicial, quasi-judicial, administrative, o hearing dyan sa barangay ninyo. Hindi ko maano kung anong what's the yung end game nitong laro na ito. But if they pursue the legal process, we are all bound by it, by the Constitution. So whatever comes out of this, we obey. But if you set up a revolutionary government and oust the legally elected president, duly constituted head of state, there's going to be trouble. I said, I'd like to repeat it. I will not be bound by the choice of you guys in Manila. Kaya sabi ko nga, I have been telling our Muslim brothers, you should be prepared to declare a Bangsamoro nation. The great divide is always religion. Baskin na natin because, it's the culture, it's the Quran. And tayo naman Kristiyanos, we have been nurtured and weaned in the practice of Western democracies. So, the Bible, I said, of governance is the Constitution. Mindanao is big enough for all of us. If you have the Moro nation, we can have our own here, the Christians.